You just got home. Snacks are made. You sit down on your couch to watch your favorite show. After only a few minutes of watching, you get the dreaded buffering pause. Slow internet speed should be a thing of the past. Let's take a look inside the Lenovo headquarters where one of our lead technicians is with us to help you get the most out of your internet.
Welcome. My name is Brandon, Internet Doctor. I hear you're having some issues with slow internet. The first thing you'll want to do is check to make sure that your router is working properly. If you aren't getting a signal, unplug and check the cables. Wait at least 1 minute and then plug everything in. If this doesn't work, we have a few more things you can try. If your router seems to be working properly, you'll want to run a speed test. Your internet service provider should have a free speed test on their website. Before you run the test, make sure that you don't have anything else open other than the browser window with the speed test. After the test is complete, compare the numbers to your current internet service plan. If you're using an old router, you might not be getting the same speed as if you were using a new one. Another issue that can cause slow computer and internet speeds is if your computer has a virus. Whether you realize it or not, when you're surfing the internet or downloading files, you're connecting to other computers that can make your computer vulnerable to viruses. The general rule of thumb is not to surf sketchy websites that might be harmful to your computer. Signal interference can also be a big factor if you're connecting through Wi-Fi. If you're in an apartment complex or an area where there are many other radio signals traveling through the air, this could affect the internet connection on your device. At home, you might have the router in a room on the other side of your house. Your router might not be strong enough to send a signal through multiple walls to your device. You can purchase a signal booster from your local electronics store if this is the case. It may seem obvious, but opening a lot of browser tabs can significantly decrease your internet speed. If there are multiple people in your household using streaming services and surfing the internet, your internet might not have the bandwidth to handle it. The more devices you have running, the slower your connection will be. Make sure when purchasing an internet service that you note how many devices will be running off Wi-Fi at any given time. If you're a heavy gamer and streamer, you will need a very fast internet connection to operate efficiently and not hog all the bandwidth from the rest of your household. Last is to check to see what background processes are running on your computer. Open your task manager to make sure that none of them are hogging your bandwidth.
Doctor.
Yes, Steve.
Is it okay if I put pineapples on the pizza?
You've got to be kidding me.
Anchovies?
No.
Pickles?
Get out of here, Steve. If none of these steps work, contact your internet service provider to make sure that you don't have a faulty device. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.